Guys, meron na namang upload na cover song si Bea Sacramento. And sobrang excited ako na mapanood to. Kay play na natin to. Alright. So, here we go.
To have you close, embrace your heart with my love over and over.
Ano ba yan?
These are things that I promise.
Pinapaiyak naman tayo ng boses niya.
I promise to you. For all of my life, you were the one. I will love you faithfully forever. For all of my life, you were the one.
Wow.
I'll give to you my greatest love. For all of my life.
Whoosh.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Grabe, ang ganda ng boses niya, no? Grabe, damang-dama ko yung pag-awit niya. Talagang tumatagos sa puso. Alright, kung nagustuhan niyo ito guys, bigyan ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know? Bye po.